Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Right, so good morning guys. Time check is 6 o'clock in the morning. So we were going to San Carlos City today. So we're getting warmed up and the plan. Right, weather's fine. A little gloomy, cloudy, but no more rain. But I think it's rained last night. Right, so here we'll go. Right, all set up. Water, I need for my water. First we'll go to fill our tank gas, right? So see. Right, so we're here sa Petron Dumaguete, so 0 kilometer pa. Diesel 1.5. Salamat, Brad. Welcome to my vlog, Brad.
Vlog ka?
Yes. Time check 6:20. We're here sa Manuyod, so nandito tayo malapit sa Himampangon, and then we are at 63rd. We are here at the 63rd kilometers. I will just eat my breakfast here. So time check is 7:52. Wala pang 8. I'm sure wala pa rin yung mga staff doon sa Bindoy Hospital. So kain muna tayo dito ng breakfast. At hindi pa tayo nakapag-breakfast dito malapit sa may Himampangon, Manuyod. So this is the restaurant. Right, so we're done here. So for mission today, so our first mission today is go to our customer kasi magpapaayos sila ng printer ngayon. I mean, magpapaayos sila ng copier. If you're wondering guys, what is a printer and what is a copier? So ang copier is yung mga malalaking copier. It mostly laser sila yung mga copier. And printers there are types of printers. There are inkjets and there are laser printers. So sa company namin, we use laser printers. So, wala kaming mga inkjet. So wala kaming binibenta sa office na mga ink like pigment ink, dye ink. Wala kami ganyan. We are using toners for our copiers. That's concept, linya.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true.
Right, so welcome to Gihulngan City. So we're taking our lunch here at Gihulngan. So we're here at the 121 kilometers. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Gihulngan City, Governor William Villegas Hospital. Right. Time check 1:20. So lalarga na tayo papuntang San Carlos City.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just
Guys, ang bato!
ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
Right, so we're here sa Calatrava. Hui!
Grana guys,
Grada.
back to the future.
Back to the base camp. Wala yung mong kuhan. That.
Yun na ini. Sa matigas na bagay, Bryce.
Today, we will document our trip. What happened? Oh, Ay, nagko, Bryce! Bryce, ang bato!
Nangili ang tumangan, Bryce.
Kahamps, oh!
Unsa to naman kina IMC no? IMC. IMC. Ay naman.
1-to-1.
1-to-1.
Search Bryce.
Bilis at kajot kay.
Yeah. Bombatex.
Rough road.
Tomorrow again.
Ba di kun?
Alam mo.
Oh, di maso.
Ay, gusto mo yung sa side big gager.
Ba na pwede sa kun. Ako sa kun. Ba di ron. Lagi so slide ka to. Ba na records ka jiga.
Uga.
Wala, tagahanger.
Na ka jila.
Ha?
Nakano? Nakayahangin?
Hanger? Ito kang hanger to. 2014. 2014 H. Balik na kami sa San Carlos City. Anong ginaw? Tawa na, look at the solar panel, guys. Sabi. Good morning. Today is day 2 of my trip here in San Carlos City. So papunta po kami ngayon ng Calatrava kasi may kukunin lang kami, tapos yung kasama namin isa, yun yung dadalhin ko sa Dumaguete para pupunta naman kami sa City Hall. Kapon guys, pumunta kami dito. We're planning to pull out 2 copiers for Bacolod. Samahan ko sila kasi para pag exit namin dito, madali na lang. Our itinerary for today is we're going to Canlaon City, Kabankalan, tapos Dumaguete na then bukas Pasig-Cihor na mag
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening?
So for today's video, we're here in Calatrava, Negros Occidental. Still waiting here. Time check is 9:40 na po. Wait, so baka mahapon na po niya niya. But raining. Time check is 11:15. We're here at Canlaon City. So we're facing the Mount Canlaon at the back. That's Mount Canlaon. We're here sa Changi sa Canlaon.
Asam ka ba? Ganun, sarado na yung madan? Sarado lagi.
Sarado na?
Siya, so pikas.
Hey? May lang na ron?
Mag-close ka po.
Guys, makuntaguan lunch here in Canlaon City. So it's already 11:30 nga kailangan na kumain. Kumain before we go because hindi namin alam yung dadaanan namin ngayon. Kasi baka bumalik naman kami dito ngayon. Maghahanap kami ng daan papuntang Kabangkalan City. Right, kain muna guys. Right. So ngayon kape muna kami bago lumayas dito sa Canlaon. Ito yung kasama ko, taga Cebu. Right guys, so we're going to Kabangkalan City but the road is closed going to La Castellana, so that's why we are going to, this road is going to Moises Magallaon. So mas okay sa amin kasi papunta doon, pero yan nga lang, mga 1 hour and 1 hour something ang travel time, unlike doon papunta La Castellana. Pero same naman kasi papunta naman kami sa south, right?
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show.
Right. Welcome to the city of Tanhay. It's the most traffic nga lugar nga akong nagikan. So, may narong oras na mga alas 4:50 in the afternoon. So we are 430 kilometers. 430 kilometers na itong nadagan from yesterday. Welcome to Dumaguete.